In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can delete downloaded, failed, and pending Windows updates. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we need to make a right click at the start button. And in here, we can find the option File Explorer. Click on that. So once you are in the File Explorer window, click on this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. And then here we have to simply scroll down. And then we need to look for the Windows folder. Here it is, double click. Then you have to scroll down and we need to look for the software distribution folder. Here it is, double click. And here you can find the download folder, double click on that to open it. And simply delete everything from here. So in the download folder for this software distribution. So once you open the download folder, you can find a lot of folders in here. Just make sure to delete all folders or all files inside the download folder of the software distribution folder. So press Ctrl A and then you have to click the delete icon at the top. And then you have just deleted it. Okay? Then close this and you need to also go to the recycle bin and empty it. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and we need to perform a disk cleanup. So type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And then once this disk cleanup for Windows C drive, you just need to simply select all of these boxes right here for the files that we need to delete. Okay? You'll find a lot of files in here. Okay, so once you have selected all the options, just simply click on OK and click on Delete Files. And you just need to wait for the process to be done. Once done, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.